The superb Clarke IG1900 2000 watt inverter generator is ideal for providing a portable, ready source of electrical power when you're out and about. If you're a camper, caravaner, boater or market stall holder, you will find this compact and reliable inverter generator is ideal. The pure Sinewave technology of the IG1900 ensures the delivery of clean and stable power, which is vital when running sensitive electrical and electronic equipment such as TVs, computers and laptops. The Easy Start, fully Euro 5 compliant 4-stroke petrol engine has an eco throttle system, which helps to improve fuel efficiency and reduce running costs. To add to its overall ergonomics and appearance, this quiet running generator is housed in a stylish case with rubber feet, which has the additional benefit of reducing noise levels to 95 decibels LWA. Where an earth spike is available, it should be connected to the earth connection on the generator's front panel. Rated at a constant 1800 watts with 2000 watts available at peak, the 5.6-litre fuel tank will keep this generator running for 5 hours at 3/4 load, and the inverter circuitry will automatically cut out if overloaded. The IG1900 has two standard 230-volt AC 13-amp 3-pin sockets, as well as a 5-amp 12-volt socket which can be used for battery charging. The IG1900 is the ideal 2000-watt generator for all outdoor activities.